are going to begin with the lesson number 18 of your class 5 English grammar, that is comprehension. So let's begin with this lesson. Comprehension क्या होते हैं? Comprehension is a passage given to you. You have to understand that passage thoroughly and perform the questions and answer the question that follows. Now here is one passage. Read the following passage and answer the question that follows. Buddhism. Buddhism क्या है? ये हमारा एक passage है. Buddhism is a world religion. People who follow this religion are called Buddhists. क्या कहते हैं? Buddhist कहते हैं. Buddhism grew from teachings of Prince Siddharth Gautam. कहाँ से grew हुआ था? जो Prince की teaching हुई थी सिद्धार्थ गौतम की. He is known as the Buddha. उन्हें क्या कहा गया था? बुद्धा कहा गया था. This means the enlightened one, the one who found truth. जिन्हें सच्चाई मिल जाती है. Buddha was born on 2500 years, over 2500 years, so 2500 साल पहले born हुए थे वो. कहाँ पे? नेपाल में. Even though he was a prince, Buddha gave, यो क्या थे? Prince Buddha थे वो. Gave all of his riches. उन्होंने अपनी सारी riches को give up कर दिया था. He became a traveling teacher. The Buddhist teachings are written down in a book called Tripitaka. इसमें लिखी हुई है, Tripitaka में लिखी हुई है. Buddhist monks and other Buddhist followers study these writings. They aim to be kind and peaceful and always do the right thing. So there are about 300 million Buddhists all over the world. कितने मिलियन है? 300 million Buddhists हैं हमारे पूरे वर्ल्ड में. Most lives in Asia. कहाँ रहते हैं? बहुत सारे एशिया में रहते हैं. Buddhists pray and meditate at homes or in temples. वो कहाँ पे pray और meditate करते हैं? घर में या फिर temples में. They also make offerings of fruits, plants and incense. An important festival of Buddha is the Buddha's birthday. Important festival क्या? बुद्धा का birthday होता है. Now here are the questions. Answer the following question in brief. First word, who was Buddha? बुद्धा कौन थे? Buddha, he was a Buddhist. He was a Prince Siddharth Gautam. He is known as Buddha. Prince Siddharth Gautam थे बुद्धा. How did Buddhism grow? कैसे grew हुआ? Buddhists grew from the teachings of Prince Siddharth Gautam. Prince Siddharth Gautam की teaching से grew हुआ. What is Buddhism? Buddhism क्या है? So the Buddhism क्या होता है? Buddhism क्या है? Buddhism is a world religion. Which book are Buddhist teachings compiled in Tripitaka? Write the names of Buddhists. Write the aim of Buddhism. क्या है aim Buddhism का? Aim to be kind and peaceful. उनका aim है kind और peaceful and always do the right thing. Now take the correct options. Buddha was born in, कहाँ पे बुद्धा born हुए थे? नेपाल में. Buddha was born over 2500 years ago. Most Buddhists live in Asia. Buddha's teachings are written down in a book called Tripitaka. Now write the meaning of the following words: preacher, monk, meditate, incense. इनका आपको this is your homework. You have to write down on your own. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of comprehension. Thank you and have a great day.